Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Rumika's Diary. Today we're going to be seeing some grammar in CBSE Class 7, Chapter 7, the adjective. So let's get into the video. Adjective. An adjective is a word that is used to something or qualifies a noun or pronoun. So like an adjective is a word that says something or qualifies something about a noun or a pronoun. So it basically describes a noun or a pronoun. Example, a beautiful flower, green grass, tall tree, heavy weight, etc. Kinds of adjective. Adjective of quality, proper adjectives, interrogative adjectives. So first type, adjectives of quality. An adjective of quality describes the nature or characteristic of a noun, answering the question what kind. So like an adjective of quality describes the nature or characteristic of a noun, like how it looks like, and answering the question what kind, like what kind is the noun. Example, she is a brave girl. So here brave shows the quality of the girl. So it shows the characteristic of the girl. Such adjectives make sentences more descriptive. So like it makes the sentences more descriptive, like it describes the noun more. Like tall, beautiful, honest, etc. They are also called descriptive adjectives as they describe a person or thing. So they are also called descriptive adjectives because they describe a person or thing. Next, proper adjectives. A proper adjective is an adjective formed from a proper noun. It describes by linking it to a specific person, place, or thing and always begins with a capital letter. So a proper adjective is an adjective. It's formed from a proper noun. It describes by linking it to a specific person, place, or thing. And remember, it always begins with a capital letter. Example, we love Italian pasta. She bought a Japanese car. Indian food is delicious. So here, Italian, Japanese, and Indian are proper adjectives. And you could notice that they start with capital letters. So Indian is a proper adjective derived from the proper noun India. As we saw here, proper adjectives are formed from a proper noun. So here, Indian is a proper adjective derived from the proper noun India. So that's what they're trying to say in here. Third type, interrogative adjectives. These are adjectives used to ask questions such as which, what, whose, etc. So these are adjectives that are used to ask questions such as which, what, whose, etc. So for example, what book are you reading? And let me give you another example. Which color do you prefer on walls? So the examples are, what book are you reading? Which color do you prefer on walls? Next, degrees of comparison. Adjectives can be used to compare things in three ways. First way, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Let's see one by one in detail. First one, positive degree. It describes a quality without comparison. So it describes equality without comparison. It shows two nouns or pronouns of quality with equal degree. So it shows two nouns or pronouns of quality with equal degree. First example, Preeti is a beautiful girl. Preeti is as beautiful as her mother. Ria is not so beautiful as her mother. So, in positive degree, it could be used with one noun, like for example, Preeti is a beautiful girl, or it could be used with two nouns using as, like Preeti is as beautiful as her mother. Or it could be used with two nouns or pronouns by using not so and as. So Ria is not so beautiful as her mother. Next, comparative degree. It compares two things to express a higher level of degree of quality. So, comparative degree, it compares two things to express a higher quality of degree of quality. Example, Aman is taller than Rohit. Sophia is more active than Ria. So, comparative degree, it compares like two things and express a higher level of degree. Like Aman is taller than Rohit, it's a higher level of degree. And Sophia is more active than Ria. So this is also higher level of degree of quality. Third one, superlative degree. It compares more than two nouns or pronouns to express a higher level of degree of quality. So this is also used to express a higher level of degree of quality, but in here we are comparing more than two nouns or pronouns to express a higher level of degree of quality. Example, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. This is the funniest movie I have ever watched. So in superlative degree, we compare more than two nouns or pronouns and express a higher level of degree of quality. Notes, we always use the before a superlative form. Like look, before a superlative form. So before highest we used the, before funniest we used the. So remember, we always use the before a superlative form. Worksheet 1, Exercise 1, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjective. So we have to fill in the blank using a correct form of the adjective. So like first one, she's dash beautiful than her sister. So here they're only comparing two people. So she, the person, and her sister. So this is comparative degree. So we should put she is more beautiful. So she is more beautiful than her sister. Next, he is the dash intelligent student in the class. So here they're comparing more than two people. Like they're comparing the entire class with him. So here we should write he is the most intelligent So he is the most intelligent student in the class. Next, this mountain is dash high than the one we climbed last year. So they're comparing the mountain that they climbed last year with this mountain. So they're comparing two nouns. So we should put higher. As you notice here, this is a superlative degree. That's why you could see the in the beginning. And these two are comparative degrees, so they don't have the before them. Exercise 2. Identify the correct form of the adjective. First one, he is tallest than his brother. So here they're comparing only two people, like he and his brother. So this is comparative degree. So we should put taller. Next, she is more intelligent, most intelligent than her sister. So here they're comparing she and her sister. So we have to take more intelligent. Next, this cake is sweetest than the one we had yesterday. They're comparing two cakes. They're comparing this cake and the cake that we had yesterday. So they're comparing two nouns. So we should put sweeter. Third exercise. Rewrite the sentences using the correct form of the adjective. So we have to rewrite these sentences using the correct form of adjective. First one, this city is big than the one we visited last month. So we have to rewrite using comparative form. So, this city is bigger than the one we visited last month. Next, he is a strong athlete. So we had to write he is the strongest athlete. So here we're changing to the since it's the superlative degree. So this is the full worksheet. Okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.